Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today I'm going to do an entry for Chris Capune's Suki's Fire Sale. Go check out his YouTube channel. You'll be doing yourself a favour. Now what Chris wants us to do for Suki's Fire Sale is to pick a lock, any lock. Now I was thinking of picking this beautiful Y110 40 that I got from Lockmania a while back, and I have picked that with my homebrew diamond pick in the past. However, a few weeks ago I brought this Yale Y110 40 and it has keys. Now this is the bidding. Let's try and get some more light on here for you. And I have not been able to pick this consistently or to get any opens when I actually want to get one. So I've decided to pick it for you today. But not just with any pick. I'm gonna go for Raw Lock Tools, Nessie. This one was given to me by Andy from Raw Lock Tools. Thank you very much, mate. Greatly appreciate it. I'll be using a homebrew tension tool. Trying for top of the keyway. Now I did manage to get this open when I just practiced it 2 seconds ago, so I'm hoping to be able to repeat the process. So Chris did say we could rake it, scrub it, do anything we want, so I'm just going to try and just use Nessie's humps. Just try and get some pins set. Now this is the Yale keyway, but Nessie handles it like she's swimming around a lake. Turn it around, see if I can single pin pick anything that's left. Oh, very cool. Very, very cool. haven't been able to single pin pick this, but the Nessie has got me in like a dream. Happy fire sale, Suki. Everyone, stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.